Our location, just above Bridgeport. Our destination, the Hoover Wilderness, Barney Lakes, and points above towards Yosemite National Park. A view back down canyon towards the Twin Lakes, where we started from. Barney Lake. You can certainly tell it's fall in this part of the world, October 17th. Peeler Lake. At the far end of the lake, Yosemite National Park. Looking southeast across Peeler Lake at Crown Point. From just within Yosemite Park, looking back across Peeler Lake at Crown Point, and moving towards the southeast, the Hoover Wilderness, that may be the Sawtooth Ridge, and in the distance, what I believe is the top of 12,200 foot Matterhorn Peak, about 5 miles from here. Crown Lake is in the depression over the first ridge, about 3 miles off. A final view northwest across Peeler Lake, an unusual lake. It sits in a saddle at the very top of the Pacific Crest at about 9,500 feet. Water at this end rolls in back of us to Bridgeport. Water at the other end rolls down into the drainage of the Tuolumne River in Yosemite National Park. The Robinson Lakes on the Crown Lake Spur. The lower lake is there. Our trail crossed an isthmus, and the upper lake sits there. Well, we've come all the way around Crown Point, and we've reached Crown Lake to Crown Point South. We're looking across Crown Lake, and I believe that's Slide Mountain on the far southwestern end. Returning down the canyon, and we are approaching Barney Lake. Nearing our destination, the Twin Lakes. This region, almost without a doubt, is the northernmost tip of what might be called the High Sierra. Deer in the trail. And so ends another hike.